$5,639 on the Disney Wonder. Inside stateroom. Let me turn on the lights here. I'm gonna try to turn on the lights there. There we go. And just coming in for the first time, you can see this room is nice. Has a good amount of space. There's no pull down, so it sleeps 3. There's a lot of storage in these rooms. Very similar storage situation to regular rooms. And 11Bs do not have a split bathroom. Single bathroom. But they still have a tub. And that's it.